Come test drive the 2015 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.